Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today we are back with a new video. Today we will be going over CHEQD and over their verifiable AI specifically, but obviously I will bring the whole ecosystem to you, their token, and overall what they are all about, what they do. We will talk about the token, as I said, about the tokenomics, which are very nice because they contain Bern tokenomics, which you guys always appreciate, and I always appreciate those too because it makes the token deflationary. But obviously we will get into all of these details later in the video. First of all, I need to let you know, as always, that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. So CHEQD, the payment and trust infrastructure for credentials and verifiable AI. So they enable the creation of personalized AI, EID, digital credential businesses and trust ecosystems, guys. They provide privacy-preserving payments for data to incentivize its release from data silos, to enable limitless combinations of data to unlock new user experiences and personalized AI. So that's basically what CHEQD is in a short way, okay? So we will talk specifically about their verifiable AI here. So take your verifiable AI where you automate and be rewarded, focusing in the utilization of information and services without users losing control of the information. CHEQD provides the most effective way of managing data. So they have their VAI, verifiable AI, so these are their solutions, essentially their use cases, right? They have SSI for gaming, community credentials, employment, and HR. So as I said, we are going to focus on verifiable AI, guys. So AI opportunities and challenges. As you can see, generative AI content enables misinformation at scale, adversely influencing politics, markets, and even personal lives. On the other hand, AI with the help of self-sovereign identity, SSI, and decentralized identity, DID, will positively transform user experience, placing individuals at the center of their digital lives, okay? So it's actually crazy. They have this information here that there was $25 million lost by one company alone due to deepfake video, and basically AI agents will help you prevent it, okay? So let me explain. AI agents, guys, an AI agent is a software entity that autonomously performs tasks. It makes decisions or interacts with users based on predefined instructions, training data, or real-time learning as well. And these agents often use machine learning, operate independently, and adapt over time, commonly serving as sort of virtual assistants, customer service bots, or digital twins to automate tasks and enhance user experiences. So what role does CHEQD verifiable AI solution take in this, you may ask? Well, CHEQD's verifiable AI solution enhances the trustworthiness of AI agents by enabling them to carry verifiable credentials which authenticate their identity, origin of training data, or legitimacy of outputs through decentralized identity, which is DID, and self-sovereign identity technology, okay? So CHEQD provides a secure infrastructure that ensures data privacy and user control, reducing risks of misuse. Verifiable AI also allows for transparency around the AI agent's sources, creating an accountable framework for interactions, which helps users assess the credibility and safety of engaging with these agents. So it actually might help you a lot, okay? And you also have it explained here on the website, guys. That's AI powered, obviously, and it can really serve as well as a virtual agent for company, for example, to check different stuff and, you know, keep your company safe, for example. That's just one of the things, right? So they have all of these key offerings, all of these features, right? So give AI agents a portable reputation they hold without needing a third party to authenticate them, legitimize the role of AI agents, allow AI agents to plan, interact with humans and other agents, act and execute tasks on your behalf through verifiable credentials and reputation. So then you have content credentials, right? You have it shortly explained here, but I want to give you a more in-depth explanation. So what is it? Content credentials are verifiable data attached to digital content that provide information about its origin, authenticity, and modifications. They serve as a digital signature for media or documents, detailing when, where, and by who the content was created or altered. So this helps users confirm the legitimacy and reliability of digital content, reducing the spread of misinformation and ensuring that creators can verify ownership of rights to their work. So again, what role does verifiable AI solution take in this? Well, it enhances content credentials by enabling decentralized, tamper-proof verification of digital content and its origin. Using DID and SSI technology, content credentials can be issued and verified on-chain, ensuring that authenticity claims are both trusted and easily accessible. So this approach supports transparency and user confidence, allowing the content creators and AI-powered systems to prove legitimacy while empowering users to confirm content's reliability. So Verifiable AI again here with a whole solution, right? So then we have proof of personhood. What is proof of personhood? It is a mechanism designed to verify that a digital identity belongs to a real, unique human being or unknown AI agent rather than automated bot or duplicate account. This verification method is crucial for ensuring fairness in digital spaces, preventing fraud, and enhancing trust in online interaction. Proof of personhood can be achieved through various means, such as biometrics, unique verification tokens, or decentralized identity systems, allowing users to demonstrate they are genuine individuals without revealing excessive personal information. And again, what does Verifiable AI solution take in this? Well, CHEQD's Verifiable AI solution strengthens proof of personhood by providing a decentralized framework for issuing and verifying credentials that prove an individual's authenticity. Through CHEQD's DID and SSI technologies, again, individuals can generate verifiable, privacy-preserving proofs that confirm their personhood, protecting against bots and impersonation. And this approach basically helps online platforms verify unique human identities without centralized databases, safeguarding user privacy while maintaining the integrity of digital interactions and communities. So Verifiable AI, as you can see, has a lot of use cases, right? Then also when it comes to it, you have verified datasets, localized clustering, compliance, and energy. So there is much more than that, okay? Obviously they have strong partnerships as well. What I also wanted to talk about, guys, is quickly some news that they are pushing. Their blog is really heavy with great news that you might want to read to basically better understand CHEQD and to also like be aware of what's happening. So they have this one, for example, the agentic economy beyond crypto, how AI agents will change consumer experience, and you can learn more about what I was basically telling you the last few minutes, right? So you also can go and refer to those terminologies that I use, the DID and SSI, what it exactly does, and how it is intended to be implemented. So all of these informations can be found here, and guys, I will link the blog page down below in the description so you can access it. But basically you can go to CHEQD's website, community, blog. That's where you can find all the news, okay? So there is also the Verifiable AI learnings, which you can read about, and there is a whole video about it. So really they are constantly, very transparently posting on their blog about all of the informations that you as an investor or, basically as a person interested in CHEQD and interested in Verifiable AI want to know. I mean, it can be all literally found right here, okay? All right, so this is their blog. The use cases we already seen at the very beginning. As I said, today's video focus was Verifiable AI. We are not done yet. We will talk about the token as well, guys, obviously. I want to talk about the token because the token in itself also has a lot of potential. So also CHEQD in itself, it's for everyone really. Obviously you can just buy the token and hodl, but also if you're a developer, if you own a company or something, then you can go ahead and check out their solution because they might be pretty useful for you to implement, for example. So this video is not only to show you the token, that's why I'm also talking about those technicalities, because I know that I have really wide audience. Some of you maybe need some solutions here, and that's why I'm bringing this to you. They also have a lot of great partners, products, offerings, so you can learn about all of this on the website. I wish I could go through all of that, but obviously, guys, this would make the video few hours long at least. There is a lot of information here, which I obviously recommend you to go ahead and check out. So the team, obviously fully transparent. I mean, if you Google CHEQD, you will definitely find it, right? So they all have LinkedIns. You can see that they are people with backgrounds, people with huge experience. So you can go ahead and verify that on your own as well. Now we will jump into their token, okay? Their token is fully tradable, of course. you know, it has a really great potential in my opinion, and that's what you can also see here on CoinMarketCap, that it is sitting at only 37 million market cap, which for such project in my opinion is very undervalued. We will also go over the tokenomics in a second, but yeah. So guys, how the Verifiable AI use case will accelerate the check token utility? That might be the question that you want me to ask, or that you want to ask me, more like that, because I'm talking about this Verifiable AI. But yeah, well, you are talking about it, but come on, like, we are here for the gains. How can it affect the token? So let me get into it, guys. The Verifiable AI use case enhances checks utility by fueling the emerging agentic economy. So how it does it? First of all, through trusted data transactions. As personalized AI agents become mainstream, they will need verifiable data ranging from loyalty schemes to financial credentials, requiring secure exchanges. Check will facilitate payments for trusted data, powering transactions within this new data economy. So each AI interaction or intent will boost demand for verifiable data, creating a continuous cycle of checks utility. So then you also have increased velocity of credential use. AI agents acting on behalf of users will rely heavily on verified credentials. So this multiplier effect, which is data subject x number of AI agents, x number of issuing and receiving organizations, x credential volume, leads to a substantial increase in check transactions and overall network activity, right? So then you also have data provenance and compliance. Verifiable AI ensures that data lineage, authenticity, and model usage are transparently logged, reducing AI generated misinformation and adding compliance and credibility to AI introductions or interactions. So check becomes critical to maintaining data integrity across decentralized ecosystems, attracting sectors where data compliance and provenance are essential, guys. And also, last but not least, is interoperability and also the cost efficiency that all the people care about. So as AI agents navigate across diverse services, check can serve as the backbone for interoperable data transfers, optimizing cost and facilitating seamless transactions. So Verifiable AI aligns with intent casting, where agents seek out the best data for user preferences, providing even more demand for the token itself in competitive intent-based transactions. So the utility is through the moon, guys, okay? It's through the roof, it's through the moon, it's through everything. It's really crazy. So if you want to get the token, it's available not only on centralized exchanges, which they are also on decentralized exchanges. So if you want to just hodl and, well, if you want to buy it through decentralized exchanges, then it's on Osmosis, it's on Uniswap, obviously. It's great to see it on Uniswap. Then you also have Kujira and Manta, okay? And if you want to set up your wallet, you will need to set up a checked mainnet wallet to hold check. They offer two options for setting up a wallet and adding checked mainnet and testnet. One of them Leap, second of them Kepler. So it's up to you which one you want to use. But essentially, guys, I mean, you can also, if you want, go ahead and use one of the centralized exchanges. Gate is definitely really good, MXC as well. I mean, all of these exchanges are good. Those two I've mentioned on my channel as well. So yeah, these are the two go-to exchanges of me personally. But you know, it's not really recommended to hold your tokens on an exchange. Always hold them in your own wallet, okay? So setting up the wallet, you may ask, it's also fully explained in the documentation. So CHEQD is really helping out all the users, no matter whether you are crypto newbie or experienced. If you want to go ahead, they have this whole section, set up the wallet, and how to configure it, how to get the chain added, and man, it's really easy. Then they also have a setup for Kepler, so it's really up to you which one you want to use. They have it all covered, okay? They have it all covered, guys. And the utility of the token itself, getting back to it in a second, it is really about to explode since the Verifiable AI use cases is proliferating. Then more partners are building on the network, adopting other use cases such as reusable KYC. Then also external forces pointing to the adoption of verifiable credentials. So for example, regulations like EID, AS20, and then the Bern tokenomics. So, you know, Bern tokenomics is what really made me very, very bullish about this project, because as I'm saying, it means that it's deflationary, okay? And it's available at a nice little discount here. In my opinion, 5 cents for this is super undervalued. Obviously, guys, These are my speculations, but I honestly think this could 10x long term. Not gonna happen overnight, obviously, but 10-20x easily achievable with this market cap. You know, they have real utility. They are in AI sector, which is a growing business, okay? Very, very high demand growing business. So they're doing something in technology as well, you know, so obviously this has huge potential. So the tokenomics, guys, whenever an identity transaction occurs, a burn in check token will also happen, okay? So this is great. And it is all explained right here. So a proportion of the identity transaction charges will be burned to establish equilibrium with the inflation on the network and target total supply, returning to a total initial supply of 1 billion check. Commonwealth discussion has been created to open up discussion on the proportion of any charges which should be burned. You also have all the information here about the network pricing, about the burns in itself, about the rewards, and how the whole token is basically behaving. So all the tokenomics are available on the documentation, which I will also link down below in the description of this video, guys. Last but not least, I wanted to invite you to their Telegram as well as their Twitter page to keep up to date with all the news happening within CHEQD, and they are very active on both of these. So if you want to be fully updated, it would be great if you just join the chat and follow them. Like, both of those is the way to go. So yeah, guys, this I could easily see at $1 even, like, long term. I mean, you know, after watching this video, I just showed you verifiable AI, right? Just one of the solutions. So think about it, okay? And this one, I mean, it's super bullish, okay? So think about it, if this gets pushed even further, if more people hear about them, how big this could be. Obviously, guys, let me know in the comment section what are your opinions. I will be more than happy to discuss with you in the comment section as always. And I want to learn more from you, what you guys think about it, what you guys think about verifiable AI. Maybe you are already CHEQD holder, maybe you will become one after the video. Just let me know. I will be replying to your comments as always, guys. And that will be it from me for today. I wanted to thank you so much for watching this video. I know it's quite long, but I hope that you enjoyed. See you guys in the next videos coming out soon.